Hai, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you, everyone? Hopefully, you are in the good condition and ready to start learning science with Miss Rini. In the last meeting, we have done discuss about a neutralization. And we have done also discuss about how to investigate the acid and base using a litmus paper. Actually, we have another way to investigate the acid and base. So, in today's meeting, we're gonna discuss about that one, the other way to investigate an acid and base. So, without further ado, let's start our session by reciting Basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The learning objectives for today is use indicators to distinguish. Before moving forward, in the last meeting, we have done discuss about acid, neutral, and base. I need you to make a definition for that three terms. What is acid? You may relate it with the pH or with a litmus paper. Yes, correct. Acid is a substance that has a pH below 7 and turns litmus paper into red. Next, what is neutral? Neutral is a substance that has a pH 7 and don't change the color of litmus paper. And base is a substance that has a pH above 7 and turns litmus paper into blue. Yes, Alhamdulillah, you still remember about our last meeting's topic. Okay, the other method to investigate the acid and base called as acid-base indicators. We need an indicators. Indicators are a substance which change colors with pH. In the last meeting, we have done discuss about a litmus paper. Litmus paper will change the color into red or into blue, but we only can conclude it is acid and base. And we don't know the exact pH of that solution. To make it more specific, we need to know the detailed pH of that solution. So acid-base indicators can solve that problems. One of the example is into colorless in pink. And when we put it into a base, it's become a dark pink. Let's look at a detailed range of a phenolphthalein. For phenolphthalein, the detailed range is 8.3 until 10. So we can't know the exact pH for a phenolphthalein indicator. When the colors is colorless, the pH is above 8.3. And then when the colors is fuchsia, it means the pH is above 10. And using that information, we can also use several indicators at the same time. So when we already see the change when using phenolphthalein, we can continue it and use another indicator to get a specific pH. For example, for the first time when we use the phenolphthalein, the color changed into colorless. So the conclusion that we got is the pH is below 8.3. And then let's pick another indicators that related to the 8.3 like this one. And we can use phenol red. Next, after that, use the same solution, put it into phenol red and observe the color changing. And then at the end, you will get a specific pH for that solution. That's the beneficial of using acid-base indicator. We have a several that's related to the acid and base. And here are the range of the pH, and we can use the acid base indicators to check the pH of it. If you're interested, you can observe the colors of changing and put several drops of acid base indicators and observe the color changing. It's very interesting. Yes, so that's the end of our session. Let us close with reciting Hamdalah together. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. See you on the next meeting. Bye everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.